I want to take a second to discuss a question that comes to our office here a lot lately. What's the difference between red light therapy and cold laser therapy? And I guess the best way that I can explain it to you is that if we use the analogy of a shotgun shell versus a bullet, there are similarities. There are similarities between red light therapy and laser therapy. Both have red light, correct? Lasers have also blue and green, but they have light. Well, when you use a red light therapy device, it emits photons, just like pellets of a shotgun, in a scattered pattern. So they spread out the further they get away from the source. They're kind of heebie-jeebie everywhere. And once in a while, if you're lucky, some of those photons will hit the surface of the skin and they'll penetrate deep enough to create a reaction in the body that helps it heal. Once in a while. It's kind of like the old saying, a pig finds a truffle once in a while. Yeah, everybody gets lucky once in a while, but you don't want to be lucky when you're dealing with trying to knock down pain. The difference between that and a laser is like a bullet. When a bullet comes out, the lead is projected in a straight line linear pattern, just like that laser is showing right there. And that's true at a foot or 30 feet. That laser is going to be a single focus beam of light. So it will penetrate better into the tissue, thereby helping you achieve the goal of trying to reduce pain. So one is scattered, one is focused. One has been researched and submitted to the FDA. The other one was the placebo for those studies. So red light therapy was the placebo used by Erconia to do the studies that they submitted to the FDA that validated their therapy as something that helps knock down pain, not for the short run, but for the long run. The placebo had a bump of a little bit better, but as soon as you stopped using it, the patient returned back to the same level of discomfort. I want something that's going to get the job done. There are over 12,000 articles in PubMed showing the validity and efficacy of cold laser therapy. That is not true of red light therapy. They cannot make the claims that they state it's the same thing. In fact, they use the idea that what was done here is the same thing and this is a placebo. It is not the same. I hope that helps you understand.